Hi guys, I'm just going through my dahlias from last year. See how they overwintered. I have types, some of them I left out in the pot, out in the elements, and then some of them I did store in the greenhouse. So I just want to show you what I'm doing with them now and how you can actually see whether they did survive or not, and maybe what's the best to do maybe for next year. Now, right, so as I said, I have a few examples here. This is the best one. So I haven't been through this one. Basically, I just put a lot of leaf mulch over them when I chopped them off last year to overwinter. I mulched them up with leaves, with straw. I was using like stems that I cut out, straw, anything that would prevent them from freezing. So this one and this one in the grey pot, they were stored in the greenhouse, in the small zippy that I have. So as you can see, this is the best thing that happens to you in the spring. So you can see they're already starting to shoot, and I have not gone through the soil. I did not clean them in the autumn. All I did was, as I said, cut the stem in the autumn, put mulch on top, put them in a greenhouse, left them like that. Obviously do not water or anything like that. So yeah, this is the best situation. So what you can do with these, then you can take them as cuttings when they're slightly bigger, especially if you see you have more of them. You can see some slug damage there already, little monsters. Yeah, then this one I wanted to show you. Here you cannot really see it and you think it's dead. Same has been done to this one, but here if you look very, very closely, you can see the eyes, and this is what you will be looking for when you are clearing out your dahlias, either in the autumn or in spring. So there is a lot of dead material, like the stem, as you can see. I won't pull it out now, but later on I probably will be able to pull it out very easily. And as you can see, the roots are very, very tough. They're so that's a good one. This one, these two have been mulched on top, but overwintered outside in the elements. And here in London, I live in Greenwich. In whole UK it was pretty wet winter, so you can see there is damage already, and most likely I won't even have to go through this pot, because you see it's just a mush, literally. This is all dead, mushy, soft, it breaks, so that's no good. And let's have a look at this one. So this one was also outside. This one looks better. See, this one is firm to the touch, but I will have to take it out and see, or I can just wait it out. Hopefully there will be some sprouts later on, and I'll see whether it's healthy or not. When it comes to watering, when you do have shoots already, obviously don't start watering your dahlias when they are still kind of in the overwintering mode. Only start watering when you see shoots appearing, so you basically are feeding those. Up until then, the tubers have enough water stored from last year to get them through. So this one, I will probably give it a little bit of water today. This one I will have to wait for a little bit. This one I will go through just to see, but I don't think there is any hope. It looks like everything is just a mush. And this one I will have to get out if I want to see how many tubers actually have been saved, how many of them are still firm. By the look of it, it is looking quite good. So we'll see. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope more of your dahlias have survived last winter, and yeah, let me know in the comments how you guys are doing, what you're up to, and how did you overwinter your dahlias. Maybe I can learn something. That's all from me. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.